Are you looking for a fun, budget-friendly way to add a personal touch to your New Year's Eve party or create thoughtful handmade gifts? This video is your ultimate guide. Hey crafty friends, hope you all are doing great in this new year. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add some serious sparkle and DIY flair to your New Year's Eve party or just want to make some dazzling decorations, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the magical world of pipe cleaner and resin crafts, though it's late to upload this crafty vlog as was out of station just after New Year Eve. So I had some video editing left to do. Tired of the same old theme New Year decorations? What if I told you that you could create something worthy by just using simple pipe cleaners, waste chocolate box and some resin molded crafts? I have used here a waste chocolate box. I have painted it first with base white primer coating. Don't skip this step as it's essential. After drying the primer coat, have colored the box with shimmering green acrylic paints. Specifically, the ultimate stick trick that will elevate your creations from simple to absolutely stunning. Forget boring, we're making wow-worthy art. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a repertoire of techniques to create dazzling letters, numbers and so much more. Let's get crafting. Now attaching cotton cords and sequins with the glue sticks for decorating the box. It will look good by creating borders. So, why are we focusing on a stick trick? Well, it's all about how you manipulate the pipe cleaner, using it almost like a wire or a structural element to build intricate shapes. Ready to see it in action? Alright, let's start with the absolute basics, which is actually more crucial than you think. We're going to call this the basic bend. Firstly, take two pipe cleaners. Now, instead of just bending it single, we're twisting them with one another to get more fluffy embossed look. Now to get a smooth circular look, bend it softly, and where we want a sharp, defined crease, fold it exactly to the points. I have made here some number structures, like 0, number 2 and 6. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Pipe cleaners? Aren't those for kids' crafts? And yes, they are fantastic for kids. But here's the thing. They are incredibly versatile, affordable, and honestly, a little bit magical. They hold their shape beautifully, come in an endless rainbow of colors, and the fuzzy texture adds a unique dimension. Plus, the red and white colors have instant party vibes. Perfect for New Year color scheme. Today, we're going beyond the basic twist and going to unlock their full potential. Now, visualize the shape of a backquote too. We need a curve at the top, a diagonal line, and then a press at the bottom to get a straight horizontal line. You can gently bend and shape the pipe cleaner. Don't worry about perfection yet. I have curved here one big and one small number 2. You just need to twist them together for a couple of times and then bend and shape your desired shapes. I have just created here some basic numbers. Easy, right? But this simple technique is the foundation for everything we'll do next. What's the first shape that comes to your mind when you think of New Year's? Let me know in the comments below. Here's the thing. Pipe cleaners are forgiving. If you bend it too much, just gently unbend it. For the main body, I like to use two pipe cleaners twisted together. Now I am sticking all the numbers on the box with the help of hot glue sticks in abstract manners. You can change the design according to your imaginations. Easy peasy, right? The 0 is probably the quickest number to make. Now we have our individual numbers ready. Let's put them together to make 2026. You can lay them out and gently bend the pipe cleaner ends to connect them. I'm using a dab of glue stick and fixing them one by one. Numbers are done. Now we will learn the secret to bending and twisting pipe cleaners into perfect effortless letter forms. See? Already looking good. What colors are you planning to use for your numbers? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more creative DIY ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. For letter A, first make two diagonal lines, leaving a small gap at the bottom and make a little pointed corner with 90 degrees angle at the top. Then twist a horizontal line at the middle of two diagonal lines. You can use scissors if you need to trim a pipe cleaner down. Honestly, for most standard letters, one full pipe cleaner is all you need. Now for the most rewarding part, spelling words. Most of the individual letters are curved, and now connect them, and pasting them on the page from one letter to the next. For sharp angles, like in an N or W, just make a firm bend. You can even slightly flatten the pipe cleaner at the bend to make it crisper. What if you need a taller letter, like Y? You can easily connect two pipe cleaners. Just overlap the ends by about an inch and twist them together tightly. Think about letters like M and W. They're just a series of connected V shapes. We've covered a lot of letters. Which letter of the alphabet do you think is the easiest to make with pipe cleaners, and which one do you think is the hardest? Drop your guesses in the comments below. I'm curious to see what you all think. For sharp angles, like in an N or W, just make a firm bend. You can even slightly flatten the pipe cleaner at the bend to make it crisper. We've covered a lot of letters. Which letter of the alphabet do you think is the easiest to make with pipe cleaners, and which one do you think is the hardest? Drop your guesses in the comments below. I'm curious to see what you all think. We've learned how to make straight lines, master curves, combine them for tricky letters like A and P, letter E, Y, N, W, R, etc., and even connect letters to spell words. It's all about simple bends and twists. Remember, practice makes perfect, and don't be afraid to experiment. So, what can you do with your amazing pipe cleaner letters? The ideas are limitless. For party decorations, spell out names, ages, or Happy Birthday, Happy New Year for a festive banner. As a gift tags, we can attach a personalized letter or name to any gift. We can glue them onto cards, scrapbooks, or other art projects. We can use them as learning tool. It's also a fantastic idea for teaching young children their letters. Twist a loop at the top and attach the letters as a keychain ring. Don't miss out on this fun and easy pipe cleaner craft that will elevate your 2026 festivities. It's a fantastic way to add a handmade touch to your celebrations and create lasting memories. Get ready to impress with your creativity. You can get the idea of making this type of resin items in any of my resin crafting vlog. I will share the links below in the description box. Now I'm just demolding the resin items from the mold after it's curing. And highlighting the items with golden glitter acrylic markers. It's a necessary step, otherwise the transparent items will be invisible after pouring resin on them. Just fixing all the items before pouring the resin on them, otherwise it will be misplaced when resin will be poured. I'm sticking all the resin items one by one in a balancing way with hot glue sticks. See, I have resin moldings with me. You can use any kind of plastic decorative pieces or any clay crafts for extra special look. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Proper presentations and positioning of the items on the right places are the key for enhancing the beauty of the craft. I have used here some sea green and pink colored beads into the resin for matching the color scheme with the project. I'm using a standard clear casting epoxy resin. Make sure you get one that's suitable for crafts and has a good UV resistance so your creations stay crystal clear. Many times I have shared my resin mixing process before. Here in this vlog I'm not sharing this part as video will be more lengthy. Look how beautiful all the items are. Crucially, you'll need safety gear, gloves, a respirator mask, and eye protection. Resin fumes can be harmful, so safety first, always. And for shaping, some wire cutters or sturdy scissors will be handy. We'll also need a heat gun or a lighter for popping bubbles, and some silicone molds. I have used butterfly, Christmas tree, flowers, reindeer, love sign molds here, but you can use any shape you like. Okay, safety gear is on, workspace is prepped. It's time for the magic ingredient, resin. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing. Typically, you'll mix equal parts of resin part A and resin part B. Measure carefully. Getting the ratio wrong is the most common mistake people make with resin, and it can lead to sticky, uncured piece. Now, mix thoroughly but gently. You want to avoid introducing too many air bubbles. Scrape the sides and bottom of the cup to ensure everything is fully combined. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, carefully pour the mixed resin into your molds. You want enough to cover the pipe cleaner structure, but don't overflow. See how the resin flows around the pipe cleaner? It's like magic. After pouring, you'll notice little bubbles. Don't panic. A quick pass with a heat gun or even a long-reach lighter will make them pop. Keep the heat gun moving. Don't hold it in one spot, or you could damage the mold or scorch the resin. Just a few seconds over each mold is usually enough. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. You need to let the resin cure completely. Check your resin's instructions, but typically this is 24 to 72 hours. I am applying here one layer resin coat on all the pieces to get more crystal clear glossy finish. Let the resin cure completely. Unlock the magic of DIY decorations with our simple yet effective combinations of pipe cleaner techniques, resin crafting methods and upcycling process of the wasted product. I think it's perfect for New Year's celebrations, holiday cards, or any special occasion in 2026. These charming letters are surprisingly easy to make. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, this tutorial breaks down every step, ensuring beautiful results. You can skip the resin techniques. It's about your own preferences. Imagine personalizing your gifts, party banners, or even your home decor with these unique, handcrafted elements. This is more than just a craft, it's a way to add a personal, festive touch that will wow your friends and family. Keep the molds on a level surface in a warm, dust-free environment. Covering them loosely with a box can help prevent dust settling. Look at that shine. It's so clear, and the pipe cleaner design is perfectly suspended. You could paint the edges with metallic paint, add tiny rhinestones, or even use a glitter glue pen for extra shimmer just like I have shown you before. These decorations are super versatile. This is perfect for a New Year's photo booth backdrop. And there you have it. Absolutely dazzling. New Year's decorations made with just pipe cleaners, waste chocolate box and resin. I hope you feel inspired to give this a try. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope your New Year's is filled with creativity, joy, and lots of sparkle. Keep an eye out for our next video, where we'll be tackling with the vlog that is on how we have decorated and celebrated New Year Eve with family and friends. Seriously, your support means the world. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Keep creating, stay crafty, and Lily see you in the next video. Still then bye, J. Shiv Sakti.